And this is the rooftop. Here's a little bold squirrel. Are you gonna feed me? Are you gonna feed me? And it's raining, but it's not so bad. It's actually pretty nice. This is totally new to me. That's the butterfly exhibit. I have been to the butterfly exhibit, but this rooftop exhibit is new. I suppose you'd go, why do you want to look at a bunch of weeds? It's not just weeds. It's the best of nature controlled. When you have controlled nature, it's very good. I like these bird calls. Yeah, it's raining. Let's go get our ponchos. That's a wood duck. We saw the blue heron the other day. And so, being at the Nature Museum with my child is probably somewhat of an education in a way. It's got to be a little bit educational. I really like all those noises as I'm trying to make my little speech.